Hello dear student, my name is Professor Kiran Balu Mojad, Department of Physics in SVKT College, Devlali Camp. Today we have learned FY first semester, first chapter, motion. Session agenda. First, what is a motion? Next, type of motion. Next, dimension motion can be classification. And last, motion can be classification. Learning objective. Today we have learned to understand the concept of motion. Next, describe the different type of motion. Next, describe the difference between linear, angular, translational, rotational and periodic motion. And next, understand the one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional of motion in this session. And last, describe the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. Motion. What is a motion? First, the object moves one place to another place is called a motion. The object change its position with position with time. It is said to that object of in a motion. Many example of motion: the car on road, the boy walking road, the aeroplane flying in the air, the ship sailing on water or sea, etc. In this, many many examples of in daily life of a motion. Next, object. An object that does not change its position with time is said to be at rest. Many object is a rest position, means equilibrium position. The book lying on a table is an example of rest. When we say the object is moving, it's always with respect to another object. Suppose we have travel in a car, but car is moving. We have observed the tree or planets are moving and self is stable and rest. But the tree or street poles are stable. We have observed to moving, but we are in a motion. Next, when object moves, its position with respect to the another object change with time. Suppose a car traveling from a building, some distance, traveling from a building. Some time goes the travel distance cover a distance to distance. Next, type of motion. First, linear motion. An object moves in a straight line is called a linear motion or rectilinear motion. This is an example of a car moving on a road in a one dimension. It is an example of linear motion. Non-linear motions, the motion that is not a straight line. A car going on a curved path. This is not a linear motion. This is the non-linear motion because this is change. This is change. This is change the direction. The example of end. the start to end in a straight line. This is the motion in a linear motion. But insects moving a curved path. It is not a straight line. The motion is non-linear motion. Next type of motion is oscillatory motion. First, a pendulum that branches of a tree in the wind, and the needles of a swing machine. Such type of motion is called oscillatory motions. Example of oscillatory motion is pendulum, simple pendulum. In such a motion, an object oscillates about a point often called equilibrium position. Means the object is a rest position, do not disturb any force to apply. This is the equilibrium position of motion. The example of simple pendulum. The simple pendulum start to A position to C position and back to its A position with respect to equal interval of time. This is the best example of oscillatory motion. Next, translational motion. It is a type of motion in which all parts of the objects moves the same distance in given time. The translatory motion, the motion in which all points of moving body move uniformly in the same line or direction, is called translatory motion. Next type, the types of translational motions. First, rectilinear motion. An object is said to have a rectilinear motion if it changes its position along a straight line. It is a rectilinear motion. Next type of translational motion is a curvilinear motion. The motion of an object moves in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. The motion of basket into the motion of a basketball into the basket, roller coasters are some example of curvilinear motion. This image is the curvilinear motion, example of curvilinear motion or non-linear motion. Next type of motion, rotational motion. When object moves about an axis and different parts of its moves by object is called rotational motion. By different distance in a given interval of time, then it is said to be in rotational motion. The example of rotational motion is a wheel of moving car, merry-go-round. Next, Earth revolve in around the sun is the example of rotational motion, because the object moves about an axis of the object is called rotational motion. Next, non-periodic motion. A motion does not repeat itself at a regular interval of motion that does not repeat itself. It is called as a non-periodic motion. The example of the flying on a birds in a sky. In a sky, it is not a periodic motion. Periodic motion, a type of motion that repeats itself after equal interval of time is called as a periodic motion. The example of minute hand of a watch. It is example of periodic motion. When the same motion repeats itself after equal interval of time, we call it periodic motion. It's example of Earth revolving around the Sun and Moon revolving around the Sun. It is an example of periodic motion. Next, dimension motion can be classified as first one-dimensional motion. It is the motion of a particle moves along a straight line. Suppose we have travel in a car in a straight. It is a one-dimensional motion. Two-dimensional motion, a particle moving in a space has a curved path. In the plane has two-dimensional motion. The car is going on a curved path. The car change the direction. This is the two-dimensional motions. And last, three-dimensional, the particle moving in a space as a three dimensions, like three-dimensional motion example is the aeroplane flying in a sky. This is the example of three-dimensional motion. And last topic, motion can be classified as uniform motion and non-uniform motion. The uniform motion, a body is said to be in a state of uniform. It is travel equal distance in an equal interval of time. If the time distance graph is a straight line, then the motion is said to be uniform motion. Means the example of uniform motion, the blades of electric fan. This this example, the blades were rotating around the axis of the electric fan is a constantly and uniform time intervals. When a body covers the equal distance in an equal interval of time, however, the small may be time interval, the body is said to describe a uniform motions. The example of uniform motions, an aeroplane flying at a distance of 800 km per hour, and next example, the light energy traveling at a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. The graph is describe the uniform motion is a straight line, means the distance change as well as with respect to time will be changed. The graph is a straight line. Next, motion can be classified as non-uniform motion. Means second classification, non-uniform motion. A body has a non-uniform motion if it travels unequal distance in a equal interval of time. This is non-uniform motion. An object does not always move at a constant speed or velocity. This is a non-uniform motion. Examples, going around a race course, because the turn we have slow down, merging on a highway, braking at a stop sign. You may speed up, slow down, or change the direction. This is a non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion when graphs appear as a curve, not a straight line. This graph is seen as our screen. The graph, the distance versus time is the distance is changed, but time interval is not equal. The curve is the graph is curve. This is non-uniform motion curve. Summary. Today we have learned the concept of a motion and different type of motion. Next, difference between linear, angular, translational, rotational and periodic motion. And last, one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional of motion. It is a classification of motion. And difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. This is a one more classification of motion. The student assignment: first, what is a motion? Next, enlist the type of motion, and last, distinction between uniform and non-uniform motion. Precap means next lecture we have learned displacement. What is a displacement? Type of displacement, average displacement we have learned in this topic. Next, velocity. In this topic we have learned concept of velocity. What is a velocity? Dimension of velocity, SI unit of velocity, and average velocity. Next topic, acceleration, and last topic, inertia. Thank you.